Not one, not two, but three legends are coming together this 31st of March. And I'm not only talking about Juhi Chawla and Paresh Rawal, but of course, Rishi sir. He is coming back. I wish he could. But to the cinema halls at least he is, because one last time we could watch Rishi sir with all our hearts, because उन्हीं की movies देख के तो हम बड़े हुए हैं. Talking about Namaste London, that is something that I could relate to, but not because I have a dad like that, just because any Punjabi person knows a personality like that, right? And also Do Duni Char, it's one of my go-to movies. Like I say, it's one of those movies that will make you happy, that will make your day. And when I made this video where I showed ki what are those top 10 happy movies of all time, then this movie was in the top 5 list, because I love Do Duni Char, and the reason of me loving that movie is Rishi sir, his acting and the way he takes his life in a way positive manner, and कभी कुछ गलत नहीं करते वो उस movie में. For last time we'll be watching him. I think this story is actually his real, like it resonates with his real life. That's what even Ranbir Kapoor said, and people generally look up for work. They look up कि वो कैसे busy रहें, because इतना time आप काम करने के बाद खाली तो बैठ ही नहीं सकते. It's not that people look for retirement, it happens. And BG Sharma, जब उन्हें निकाल दिया जाता है, when the company lays off the employees, that's when this widower played by Rishi Kapoor, BG Sharma gets into his retirement phase of life, and he wants to explore things, he wants to find meaning to his life, and वहीं पे he finds कि cooking is something that will work for him. पर उनके बेटे जो है वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करते हैं, एंड हाउ इट्स गोना गो फर्दर, हाउ ही विल लिव हिज द रिमेनिंग लाइफ कुकिंग is what the movie holds for us. Not only this, but this movie definitely will have a very special place, and I'm pretty sure you, me, every one of us, our parents are going to go on Amazon Prime on 31st of March and watch this movie. Also because of the fact I have read his novel Khullam Khulla, his autobiography, and knowing the personal aspects about Rishi sir's life and knowing his struggles, his growth, his journeys, his relationships with different people in his life, I'm very excited about this movie and how it will turn out to be, because that's going to be one of the last works by Rishi sir. And even right now I'm getting a little emotional while talking about it, but we've seen him while we were growing up, while we've seen Bollywood. Bollywood is what it is because of legends like Rishi sir. Ranbir Kapoor in his latest interview also said कि कैसे they were trying after Sir Rishi passed away, कि कैसे वो इस मूवी की शूटिंग फर्दर कंटिन्यू करेंगे, या इस प्लान को ड्रॉप कर दिया जाए, या फिर इसकी शूटिंग को कंटिन्यू किया जाए VFX के साथ, या फिर रणबीर कपूर खुद प्रोस्थेटिक्स डालकर करते हुए इसकी शूटिंग कंटिन्यू कर रहे थे. बट नथिंग वाज पॉसिबल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई परेश रावल सर एंटर्ड, stepped in, and that's how the shooting began, and that's how this movie was completed, because the show must go on. That is what the actors' lives are about, right? So the show must go on, and just because of Paresh Rawal sir is how we will be able to watch this movie now. Thank you so much to Paresh sir for this, because अगर उन्होंने step up नहीं किया होता तो शायद हम ऋषि sir के last recorded movie को कभी देख ही ना पाते, which would have been a very sad thing. But we're really happy that it's coming online. कि इस movie से better कुछ हो नहीं सकता था to bid adieu to Rishi sir, although him and his craft will always be with us forever, because उनके इतने iconic roles से उन्होंने अपनी movie journey की starting की थी, and उतने ही iconic roles, उतने legendary roles में वो अपनी movie की journey हमारे साथ ऐसे हमें जा रहे हैं छोड़कर. We still hoped कि just like उनकी ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ खुल्लम खुल्ला था, तो we hope कि कुछ टाइम और काश हम उनकी मूवीज़ को और अच्छे से enjoy कर पाते, उनके versatile roles में उनके साथ घुल मिल पाते. And talking about one of my favorite roles of Mr. Rishi Kapoor sir is from the movie Kapoor and Sons, where he is the grandfather and वो मरने की acting करते रहते हैं, and that's what makes everyone laugh. And eventually the ending of the movie, where everybody comes together for his birthday and Buddhu Saman song plays, is like a dream sequence for me. कि जब मैं भी ऐसे थोड़े ऐसे wrinkly old faces हो जाएंगे, तो someone should organize this birthday party. Everyone's dancing, the entire family is there, and just imagine how good old people must feel if something like this is organized for them, right? So I mean, all in all, Rishi sir has given us roles that we really want to be a part of, right? We want to be, you know, included in whatever happiness he's there. We wanted to be included in his sadness. And दिस मूवी शर्मा जी नमकीन भी ऐसी होने वाली है जहाँ पे हम भी ऐसे चाहते हैं कि रिटायरमेंट के बाद हमारी भी ज़िंदगी थोड़ी बढ़िया हो. थोड़ा मेटाफोरिकल वे में अगर हम लेके जाएं तो ये मूवी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो है पूरी यू नो सोसाइटी से ले पूछती है इन द ट्रेलर इटसेल्फ कि रिटायरमेंट के बाद सबकी ज़िंदगी एकदम ब्लैंड क्यों हो जाती है. एंड अगर कोई अपना पर्पस ढूंढ भी लेता है, लाइक ही इज़ लाइक यू नो वो कुकिंग करना शुरू कर देते, देन वाई इज़ इट कि ये चीज़ें पहले नहीं होती. अगर वो इतने से कुक थे ही ऑलरेडी, तो वाई नॉट अपनी जॉब के साथ साथ कुकिंग करते या अपनी जॉब को छोड़ के यू नो ही फॉलोज हिज पैशन कुकिंग एंड देन यू नो जस्ट फॉलोज इट फॉरएवर. हम हमेशा ये सब चीज़ें हमारे पैशन को ये क्यों छोड़ देते हैं, क्यों भूल जाते हैं हमेशा कि हाँ एक बार जॉब हो जाए, रिटायर हो जाए, उसके बाद हम खुल के कुकिंग करेंगे, उसके बाद खुल के आर्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद खुल के नाचेंगे, खुल के घूमेंगे. Who knows if we're going to be there for our retirement? So why not follow our passion? I mean, of course, it's a privilege talking, and why can the world not work in such a way कि सबके passions को, सबकी hobbies को, सबके interests को पहले ही follow करवाया जाए, retirement तक क्यों wait करना? And you know, why is the world functioning like that? That is a bigger question. अभी तो हम शर्मा जी नमकीन ही देख लें तो we'll be happy with it. And अगर ऋषि सर ने ये वीडियो देखी होती which I have made, then he would have definitely said कि कितना प्यारा बच्चा है. थोड़ा सा नीचे जाओ इसकी वीडियो की, यहाँ पे लाल बटन दिखेगा, उसे सब्सक्राइब करो. And that was the video, guys. If you liked it, like it, and if you loved it, then share it. I'll be back with another trailer review, movie review, or a list of recommendations that I have for you to watch such movies that will make you happy. But if you have any recommendations that you want me to review, then let me know in the comments below so I can make another video that you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and also remember to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much.